If you're a beginner YouTuber, you might need to stop uploading. Not forever, but until you fix these mistakes. Because right now, you could be uploading consistently, trying your best, and still killing your own growth. In this video, I'll show you the 5 biggest beginner mistakes that keep channels stuck under 100 subscribers, and exactly how to fix them, especially if you're running a faceless channel. This isn't theory. This is what YouTube actually rewards. If you fix just one of these, your channel becomes clearer. If you fix all 5, subscribers come faster. Let's get into it. Most beginner YouTubers upload helpful videos and hope people subscribe. But viewers are asking one silent question. If I subscribe, what do I get? If your channel talks about YouTube today, AI tomorrow, motivation next week, there's no reason to stay. Clarity beats talent on YouTube. A clear channel promise sounds like this. This channel helps beginners grow on YouTube without showing their face. When a viewer understands that in seconds, subscribing feels safe. If people don't understand your channel, they won't subscribe. No matter how good the video is, trying to help everyone is the fastest way to help no one. Beginners subscribe faster than advanced creators. Why? Because beginners are confused, overwhelmed, and desperate for clarity. Advanced creators watch, but they rarely subscribe. Beginner content looks like why your videos aren't getting viewed, what to post as a beginner, how often beginners should upload, common beginner mistakes. When someone feels understood, they subscribe. Your first 100 subscribers come from solving beginner pain, not showing expertise. This mistake alone kills more channels than bad editing or bad audio. A hook is not an introduction. Bad hook. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good hook. Most beginners don't grow because they do this wrong. The first 5 seconds decide everything. If people leave early, YouTube stops testing your video. Your hook should call out a problem, create curiosity, promise a clear benefit. Small channels don't need luck. They need better hooks. Many beginners obsess over views, but views don't build channels. Subscribers do. You can get views from random people who never come back. Your goal is to convince one viewer at a time to stay with you. This means speak directly to your audience, explain clearly, repeat your message, build trust. Low subscriber growth is normal at the beginning. What matters is clarity, not virality. YouTube rewards patterns. If every video feels different, viewers don't know what to expect. Consistency is not about uploading every day. It's about same topic, same audience, same style, same message. When viewers recognize your content, trust builds, and trust turns viewers into subscribers. Growth comes from repetition, not pressure. So if you're a beginner YouTuber, stop uploading blindly. Fix these first. Give people a clear reason to subscribe. Talk only to beginners. Fix your hooks. Focus on subscribers, not views. Stay consistent in topic and style. Your first 100 subscribers won't come overnight, but once you hit it, growth becomes easier. If you're serious about growing a faceless YouTube channel as a beginner, subscribe. This channel exists to help beginners grow smarter, not louder. And watch the next video on your screen. It shows exactly what beginners should post to grow faster. This is Hidden Hustle. We grow with